Again? Oh my gosh, it has to be Ace.
It was me. All the letters and the flowers.
No way. Actually, I think it's sweet. You're really smart, Milo.
I can help you anytime.
Oh my god, he's doing everything for her. Hurry up, Milo.
Sorry.
Hey, Milo. Can I be honest with you?
Yeah?
She doesn't like you. She's using you.
No, that's not true. She likes me too. Luna, will you go to prom with me?
You think I'm going with you, nerd? I'm going with my boyfriend, Ace.
I don't get it. I thought keep dreamin'.
Oh my gosh, that's so embarrassing.